Hi guys, in this video I am going to show how you connect MySQL database with PHP. So let's get started. At first, open your XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL. I'm just clicking the start button on Apache and MySQL and you can see that it is running. Now go to your XAMPP folder. Click on C drive, click on XAMPP and then click on htdocs folder. Now it's time to create a file called connection.php. I'm writing connection.php, just removing the text and then click yes. Okay, the file is made. Now I'm just creating a database in my MySQL, typing localhost phpmyadmin in a browser, and now just click on the new to create a database. I'm creating a database here, student, and then click on create button and you can see the successful message. Here you can also see the student database in the left panel. Okay, just minimizing the browser, and okay, now open the connection.php file with my editor Notepad++, and I am just writing the PHP scripts here. Just open the start tag and in tag. Now I am just creating the variable host name and place the value here localhost. Now creating user, here is MySQL, user is root, and then password. I'm just leaving the password blank here for my MySQL, and then finally creating the database name. These are all the parameters when I'm just creating a variable called connection. Just I will put all the parameter with MySQL connect function. Just creating the connection variable. I'm just using here mysqli connect function. Okay, now put all the parameters in mysqli connect function. User, password, and finally the database name. Okay, I have set all the parameters here. Now it's time to check the connection. If the connection is okay, then I will show a successful message. Otherwise, if the connection is not okay, then I will show a MySQL error. Just I'm putting a if condition with MySQL connect your norm function. Just display the message here, failed to connect to MySQL. And just concat. the MySql connect event function again. Okay, function, and then place the exit function, and then just place a successful database connection with else condition. If my database connection is successful, then it will show a database connection successful message. Otherwise, if the connection is not okay, then it will show MySql connected on the function. Now it's time to check the connection, it is okay or not. I will save this, just minimize the editor, and just typing localhost and connection.php in my browser and hit the entry button. Okay, you can see the database connection successful message.